Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 7 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 7 sine t square, number 7, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about the square root of number 7 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one you got about 7 sine t square. Number 7, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of number 7 cosine t square, you got about cosine t. Now we need to simplify this one by this one. This one you got about 7 sine t square. 1 over sine t square, you got about cosecant of t square over number 7. The integration of cosecant of t square, you got about negative costan t over 7, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 7. So we can find the value of t, that is about arc side of s over the square root of number 7. So I will put this one to change for t. And we put about 1 over 7 in here. And then we put about capital C. So this one, that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.